talent acquisition. Trends in talent acquisition technology for 2022 and beyond all points to the continued rise of AI, analytics, and chatbots. Also, two major human resource trends have been observed from 2020: diversity and inclusion and remote working. In the next decade, the nature of workforce will change, as will how work is conducted. The vendors of talent acquisition software such as Oracle, SAP, and Workday are also being forced to confront their lack of Black diversity and other shortcomings. Although this is true, it can also be stated that the future of talent acquisition will primarily be focused on recruiting people who are the future of organizations. Millennials, now mostly in their 30s and looking to advance in already established careers, and the Gen Z group that just recently entered the workforce. Organizations will need more than just smartphones and social media friendly HR and business applications to effectively recruit Gen Z. Today's younger generations want to feel that their work has a greater purpose in society. In addition, they want a better work-life balance. It may already be too late for organizations whose talent acquisition and recruitment strategy do not consider these generational shifts.